Welcome to this step-by-step guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to withdraw money from the Worldcoin app straight to your bank account using the updated 2025 process. Whether you're cashing out rewards, transferring earnings, or simply moving your funds for everyday use, this guide will show you the simplest and safest way to get it done. Let's get started. First is open your Worldcoin app. After opening, click the wallet and click the three dots. Select Withdraw. In here, click the bank deposit. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Confirm Withdrawal, and your money will transfer to your bank account. And that's it. You now know how to withdraw money from the Worldcoin app to your bank account quickly and securely using the latest 2025 method. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more guides to make your digital finance experience even smoother. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.